Alright guys, we're back at the mini Project Hoopty headquarters. What is going on here? Okay. There we go. Fixed it. Back with Eric and his M3. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Project Hoopty.
Alright, so this is Project Hoopty's M3. Or more famously, Eric's M3.
Let's show them what we got on here.
Alright, show us what you got, man.
What's that, man?
That is a big ass supercharger, right? Pro charger?
Pro charger. Yeah.
Pro charger, okay.
As you guys can see, it's got the 3.2 liter in it. Produced about 450 horsepower.
450 out of dynode?
Yep. And it's got a two-step turn to it. So what we're going to do today is swap out the exhaust.
Alright, what do you got on it currently?
An Authority stainless steel exhaust.
Authority, okay. What are we putting on it?
A clean sound to it, but it doesn't sound like a car with 400.
Give me a few revs, actually. I want the viewers to see the revs of this.
I got you.
You got me?
Want to
Okay.
get down and see the exhaust?
Alright guys, we're gonna... Alright. Guys, remember that sound because it's about to change dramatically.
But what we putting on here today, man?
Alright, show us what you got. What is
have
this? Oh, that's interesting.
UUC Motorworks twin silencer exhaust. I got this from a buddy of mine who sold his M3, but I can tell you now, that thing is not silent.
It's not silent.
Stay tuned.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
All right. Well, let's jack the car up and bolt this bad boy on. For the viewers to see, this is what the old exhaust looked like. It's a pretty big muffler. Nice exhaust tips. We're gonna, hold on, wait, there we go. It's on, let's give it a first start. Oh wow, that already sounds louder. It's low and dusty. that zone is. God damn. How do you feel about that?